folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to export data into an Excel spreadsheet so that you can then annotate it and write notes about how to interpret that data. This is a good option when printing out is not an option for you, and so you don't want to export it as a PDF. So the first thing that we do is we have our data in our output file that we wish to export. We can export either all or part of it. You can click on some of it and just export some of it, or you can click on all of it and export all of it. We have a very clean output, so we're going to export all of it. So we're now, after we've clicked on it to highlight the output that we want to export, we're going to click on File, we're going to click on Export, and then we have our choices up here, Objects to Export, where we could export just what we selected or the entire file. We're going to export just what we selected. And then here, Excel comes up right at the top. So that's what we're going to do. Excel 2007 or higher is what we're going to export. And then here under Browse, we're going to select where we want to save it on our hard drive. So I'm going to go to where I want to save it, which I'm going to save it under week 11 of my course. Or no, let's save it under week 10 of my course. And then I'm going to give it a file name. I'm going to call it my GLM two-way ANOVA analysis. And it's going to be an SLSX. You don't have to type that, but I'm typing it just so it's there. Give it whatever file name you want. Remember where you're saving it. Click Save. So now I've put it where I want to save it, and then click OK. This box here tells us it's saving, so it's going to tell us when we're done. So it takes a few minutes to do, if not a few seconds to do it. So all of these are objects that it's doing. It's just telling you what it's going through. And then as soon as it's done, we're going to double check that it's really there. So we're going to go into our drive and we're going to find where we put it. So you have to remember where you put it. I put it under week 10, and there it is. I'm going to open it up. Take it a minute to open. And here it is. So now what I can do, you're going to see all of the output. This is just the command that you see that shows up. And basically I can start annotating. So I can say, what is this? This is my sample size. I can type directly into the document and start annotating or explaining the output. I can talk about what this means for this test to be non-significant, and basically write any notes I want or annotate the output in that way. And then I can save the file, and that's one way for me to annotate an Excel file if you need to do that instead of printing it out and annotating it by handwriting on the output. Eek, I don't know how to stop.